Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to add contacts in Gmail ID or how you can add new email address or contacts in Gmail ID. So let's start with the video. So in order to add contacts in Gmail, there is a process I will show you on my desktop. But if you are using iPhone or Android phone, you can follow the same step. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So if you really like this video guys, please subscribe me. When you subscribe me, I will motivate and create good content for you. So let's start with the video. So okay, so this is my Gmail account, and in order to add contacts in Gmail, just go this option, dot option, find the contacts. In contacts you can see here your all contacts. Okay, you if you have labels, you will find labels here. How to use labels I will show you in this video also. Okay, so just how to add contacts, just create on contacts. You can add contacts individually, one by one, or multiple. So first let's see how to add contacts one by one. Just create contacts here, enter your last first name, last name. You can upload photos for particular contacts. First name, last name, company name, job title. Here you have to enter email ID, any labels you want to, homework, anything. Okay, add the phone number. Okay, add the phone number, anything you want to. You can note, like any note, show more. Okay, there's a many option. You can add fiction and all, address, everything. Just save it, then it will be saved here. Okay, like this, in context. If you want to add multiple contacts, just create multiple contacts, and you can add the contacts in format like this. Okay, you have to enter first name first, the demo. Now you have to enter email ID like this, in double arrow, like. Okay, close the bracket. Address view. Okay, then you have to do the comma, email address. Okay, is now it is created. Okay, one name and address, everything. Now you can create like this. So that is how you can add contacts in Gmail. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.